Hey there guys, and welcome to day 2 of Vlogmas. I'm so excited. I was really pumped to try out this recipe because I think it's gonna be one of your favorites as well. So let's get started. First of all, you want to melt down your chocolate in a bowl above some hot water and get your avocado ready in a bowl. So you want to make sure the chocolate is melting nicely, and meanwhile you can go ahead and crunch down your avocado until you have a nice paste. Then you want to combine the chocolate and the avocado in a bowl. You want to add a little bit of salt and a little bit of vanilla extract, and then you can go ahead and mix that all together until you have a nice even mixture. Because it's Christmas, you can add some cinnamon or other holiday spices you like, and then your dough should be ready, and you want to put it in the fridge for about an hour. Next up, you want to take your cocoa powder on a plate. You want to take about a teaspoon of this mixture, roll it in your hands until you have a little bowl, and then roll it around in the cocoa powder until it's completely covered. And then you can set it out on a piece of parchment paper or whatever, just a plate. And you want to repeat that until you are done. And as I said, this is such a cool recipe. It's low carb. You use some really nice dark chocolate with that. There's no added sugars, and it's really tasty, really delicious, and great gifts as well. So I really hope you try this. If you do, let me know how you liked it, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye.